Have you ever wondered what it's really like to be a software engineer? Let's delve into the current job market. Software engineering is booming, with a demand that's higher than ever before. Every day new startups are born and established companies are expanding their tech departments. Yet, this same growth has made the industry highly competitive. It's no longer enough to just have a degree in computer science or a related field. Companies are in a constant hunt for top talent, individuals who can bring more to the table. They seek those who not only code but also innovate, problem solve, and contribute to a team. In this era of rapid technological advancement, specialization in emerging areas like machine learning, data science, or blockchain technology can make a candidate more desirable. So, standing out from the crowd is crucial in this competitive field. Now let's talk about something that makes many of us nervous: the interview process. The journey to becoming a software engineer is often paved with a series of intense interviews. They are designed to test your mettle and see if you have what it takes to excel in this demanding field. The structure of these interviews can vary from company to company, but there are some common elements. First, there's the technical assessment. This is where your knowledge of data structures, algorithms, and programming languages will be put to the test. You may be asked to solve complex problems or even create a small piece of software. Then there's the coding challenge. This is your chance to show off your coding skills in a real-world scenario. You might be given a problem to solve, and you'll have to write code that provides the solution. This is not just about getting the right answer, it's about how you approach the problem, your thought process, and your coding style. Finally, there's the behavioral interview. This is where you'll be asked about your past experiences, how you handle challenges, and how you work in a team. It's your opportunity to show that you're not just a great coder, but also a great colleague. The key to acing these interviews is honing your problem-solving skills. Practice, practice, practice. And remember, you're not expected to know everything. What matters most is your ability to think on your feet and find solutions to problems. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and it certainly spices up software engineering interviews. Next up, we're discussing how to prepare for these challenging interviews. Now you might be thinking, where do I even start? Don't fret, we've got some top-notch tips for you. Firstly, it's all about the fundamentals. Brush up on your knowledge of data structures and algorithms. These are the bread and butter of most technical interviews, and having a solid understanding of them can give you a significant edge. Secondly, get comfortable with at least one commonly used programming language. Whether it's Python, Java, or JavaScript, make sure you know it inside out. This will not only let you answer language-specific questions with ease, but also allow you to focus on problem solving rather than syntax during coding challenges. Speaking of coding challenges, practice, practice, and then practice some more. Websites like LeetCode and HackerRank offer a plethora of problems ranging from easy to hard. They simulate real interview questions, making them excellent resources for your preparation. Now let's not forget about soft skills. Yes, even in a field as technical as software engineering, communication is paramount. You'll often need to explain your thought process during interviews, so articulating your ideas clearly can make all the difference. Remember, interviews are as much about demonstrating your problem-solving abilities as they are about showing your learning potential and teamwork skills. So don't just focus on the technical stuff. Preparation is key, so arm yourself with knowledge and practice. It's time to ace that interview and land your dream job. We're all afraid of one thing, rejection, but is it really something to fear? Let's face it, rejection is a reality in the job hunting process, particularly in the competitive field of software engineering. It's as common as code bugs, and just like them, it's something you can learn from. Rejection might sting, but it's not a reflection of your worth. Instead, it's often a matter of fit. Maybe your skills didn't align with the company's needs at that specific time, or perhaps there was a slight mismatch in the company culture. The key here is resilience. Each no you receive is a stepping stone, pushing you to refine your skills, broaden your knowledge, and deepen your understanding of what you truly want in a job. So the next time you face rejection, remember it's not a roadblock, but a detour directing you to a better opportunity. Rejection is not the end of the road, it's just a pit stop on your journey to success. Now, let's take a look at another crucial factor: company culture. You see, the ambience and ethos of a company can significantly impact your job satisfaction. It's not just about coding and meeting deadlines. It's also about how you feel when you're in that workspace, virtual or physical. It's about how the company treats its employees, its values, and its mission. Researching companies isn't just about checking their financial performance or the tech stack they use. It's about understanding their work environment, their approach to diversity and inclusion, their training opportunities, and their approach to work-life balance. During interviews, don't shy away from asking questions to gauge the company culture. Ask about team dynamics, management style, opportunities for learning and development, and their take on work-life balance. Remember, finding a company culture that aligns with your values can make a world of difference in your job satisfaction. Money talks, doesn't it? Let's talk about salary and compensation. Software engineering can be a lucrative field with potential for high earnings, but remember, the figures can vary significantly depending on factors like location, experience, and the company you work for. In a city like San Francisco, you might see six-figure salaries more frequently than in smaller towns. That's because the cost of living and the concentration of tech companies are higher. Your level of experience also plays a big role. As a junior engineer, you might start with a lower salary, but as you gain experience and move up the ranks, your compensation should increase accordingly. Here's something crucial. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary and benefits. If you've done your research and know what you're worth, stand your ground. Remember, benefits like health insurance, vacation time, and stock options can add significant value to your compensation package. Never undervalue yourself. You're worth every penny. In a rapidly evolving field like software engineering, how can you ensure your career growth? That's a question that weighs on many minds. Well, the secret lies in continuous learning. The landscape of technology is ever-changing, with new languages, tools, and methodologies emerging all the time. To stay relevant and competitive, you need to adapt and evolve with it. Make it a habit to learn new technologies and trends. Subscribe to tech blogs, join relevant communities, attend webinars, and never shy away from exploring new territories. But learning doesn't stop at self-study. Consider pursuing additional education or certifications. They not only add value to your resume, but also help you gain a deeper understanding of complex concepts. Certifications from reputable organizations can significantly boost your credibility and marketability. Remember, your career growth in software engineering is directly proportional to your learning curve. In the world of technology, learning never stops. Last but not least, let's discuss work-life balance. This is a topic that holds tremendous importance, yet is often overlooked in the hustle and bustle of the tech world. Finding the right work-life balance is absolutely essential for your mental and physical health. It's all about maintaining a harmonious equilibrium between your professional responsibilities and personal life. Remember, your job is a part of your life, not your entire life. Just as you're dedicated to writing clean code and solving complex problems, you should also be committed to taking care of yourself. Whether it's spending time with loved ones, pursuing a hobby, or simply taking a moment to breathe, these activities are just as critical for your overall well-being. Different tech companies have different approaches to work-life balance. Some are notorious for their demanding work culture, while others actively promote a balanced life. As you navigate your career path, be sure to prioritize companies that value this balance. A healthy work-life balance isn't just a perk, it's a necessity. So, what's the reality of being a software engineer? As we've discussed, it's a journey with its own unique challenges and rewards. The job market for software engineers is vibrant, yet fiercely competitive. Standing out in this sea of talent requires preparation, which includes mastering data structures, algorithms, and honing your problem-solving skills. Rejections? They're a part of the process. Every no bringing you closer to that yes. And even when that yes comes, remember to factor in the company culture, salary, and benefits. In this dynamic field, continuous learning is your passport to career growth. Stay updated with new technologies and trends, but amidst all this, don't forget to strike the right work-life balance. It's essential for your overall well-being. So, navigate this exciting journey with perseverance and resilience. Remember, every challenge in your software engineering journey is an opportunity to grow.